Guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I'm happy. I'm excited. You guys have shown me some love, and I'm gonna show you guys some additional love, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for following this channel. And I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I'm bringing you a good video today. Okay. And what I will say, this is a guide. Okay. But before we start the video, guys. All right, let's go, guys. So, statement. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. What I want to show you guys today, in today's video, it's the new update from the Department of Veterans Affairs that could make things easier if you're planning to buy a home using your VA loan home benefits, okay? The VA has added a new certificate of eligibility enhancements inside of the VA health and benefits mobile app. Okay, so if you have a phone like this, I'll show you. In my case, I do have an iPhone. Can you guys see that? Yes. And then I'm gonna show you the VA app. That right there in that corner is a VA app. We are going to click on it, and then it's gonna, in my case, it's looking for that face because I already set up my credentials to sign into my VA app. Okay, so I want you to understand that. So if you don't have the VA app on your phone, either iPhone or Android, whatever the case, or Google, whatever the case may be, get the app, download it to your phone. Okay, and then don't forget to record your credentials. Okay, I'm gonna show you right here on the screen. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the website, and then I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it on your phone. Both step by step. I think this will help a lot of you guys out there. Okay. So the VA has added a new certificate of eligibility enhancements inside of the VA app. This means eligible veterans can now view their active certificate of eligibility (COE) directly inside your phone. This is amazing in real time. Okay, on this video. In this video, I'm going to log onto my account, show you step by step exactly where to find it. Okay, if you are thinking about using your VA home loan benefit, this is one document that you should definitely know how to access. Okay, so let me break it down. What the certificate of eligibility really is. So before we jump into the website or the app, let's get a quick talk about this. So the COE is the document that verifies you qualify for a VA home loan benefit. Okay, mortgage lenders use it to confirm that you are eligible for the VA loan program. This benefit, guys, can make home ownership more accessible because VA loan typically offer. This is what the VA loan typically offer to you guys: no down payment in many cases, competitive interest rates, okay, and no private mortgage insurance, no PMI. God bless it, man. So, the COE is basically your proof of eligibility to use that benefit. Okay. So, what is changing with this update? Okay, the VA recently announced the update. Previously, many veterans had to go through the va.gov, which is this page right here that I'm going to be showing you, to get your COE. Now, if your COE is active, okay, you might be able to see it instantly inside the app. Okay, the rollout for this update happens between March 2 and March the 5th, March the 2nd and March the 5th, and it is now fully deployed to all users. Okay, so the goal of this update is to streamline the process and make it easier for veterans to access important housing benefits documents. Okay, so let's go step by. I'm going to log into my VA account right now, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to be blurring a couple of things, so I'm going to do sign in. I also, by the way, I use ID Me. In order for me to be able to use ID Me, I click on this link. So if you haven't used it, click on it and go through the step. Create an ID Me account or create a login.gov account. Either or is valid, okay? But in this case, I'm going to use ID me, all right? To log into my va.gov. So I'm going to use my email address. My computer will ask me for a password. I'm going to put remember me. Password is already there. Continue. It's going to send me a text message. Text message. I'm waiting for the text message so I can put my code. Excuse me. Oh, continue. Right here, I'm going to do the numbers. Perfect. And now I am in my VA page. Okay, guys, in right here in this website, okay, you're going to click on here where it says VA benefits and healthcare. Then you're gonna go to housing assistance, and then we're gonna click on request a COE online. Done. Okay. Then right here in this link that you see right here, where you see my mouse, you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna download the certificate of eligibility. Okay, guys, so I just downloaded my certificate of eligibility. As you guys can see, is right here. Super easy, super simple, by just clicking a couple of links on your va.gov account. Now, I am going to show you the same way on the phone. Okay, guys, so right now I am using my iPhone device that you guys can see right here, and I'm going to look for my VA. I'm going to look for my VA app. Okay, it's right there. All right. Yep. I'm going to click on it. In my case, I already set up the app and log into the app. So as you guys can see, it went straight to my account. So right now I am in the home tab. There's a health app, there is a benefits app, and there is a payment app. I'm not gonna click on that one, but let's go to benefits, okay? And there's three options under benefits. You get claims, VA letters and documents, and disability rating. So you click on VA letters and documents, and then it's going to ask you for your address. Then you're going to click review letters. And then right here, it says Certificate of Eligibility Home Loan Letter now available. You're going to click on that. And then it's going to say, congratulations on your automatic COE. This is very exciting. So you're going to review the letter. And the same letter that I'm pulling right here is the same letter that I just showed you in my app, okay? Let me stop this right here. So guys, let me tell you why this is important for veterans, guys, okay? Number one, if you don't see an active COE in the app, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're not eligible, okay? I want you guys to know that. In some cases, you might need to, all right, okay? You need to request your COE through va.gov first, or work with your mortgage lender who can often retrieve the certificate directly through the VA system, okay? So if you're planning to use your VA home loan benefits, your lender can still help obtain that document, okay? Why this update matters, guys? I want you guys to understand why this update matters, okay? So updates like this are part of the VA's effort to modernize access to benefits and reduce wait time. The VA Health and Benefits app already allows veterans to view all your appointments, which you should be making, check your benefit status, and manage VA services. So, and now it's adding another important housing benefit tool directly inside the app. Guys, if you are thinking about or buying a home using your VA home loan benefit, just contact my company and we will give you a loan and we just charge you $7,000. I'm joking. Not doing none of that. I'm not doing none of that. Get back to this. If you're thinking about buying a home or using your VA home loan benefits, knowing how to quickly access your certificate of eligibility can save you time. Okay. Sometimes you find the house and you need to get something. You're in a tight deadline, and this is a great update, guys. Hopefully, this walkthrough helps you understand where to find it. You know, if this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another veteran or a spouse of a veteran, because the spouses are the ones that most of the times they're the ones handling the businesses. And then people who might benefit from this, guys. Okay. As always, guys, thank you for your service. I'll see you in the next video. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.